it's me, Sam, back with another blog. Yay! Another blog. Hold on a sec. Yes, and I've got some bad news. Now, all of you probably know what this bad news is because it's right outside my window right now. A snowstorm. Yes, there's a snowstorm going on right now outside. That sound weird? That sound weird? Yes, it started snowing last night. It's going to go all day today and possibly half the way to last night, tonight. So, yeah, there's going to be lots of ice and snow. If there's not any ice and snow at your place already. See, look outside my window, if you can see. There's rain too. See it? See the rain and snow out there? Did you see all the rain and snow out there? Yes. It's very, very dangerous, okay? So, yes. Do not go anywhere in your car. Do not risk yourself or the car. Okay? So that's my blog for today. Okay? So, bye-bye. See ya in another vlog someday. Okay, yes.